Hello everyone, my name is Madaan from class 6 at Government Girls Senior Secondary Smart School, Islamabad West, District Fazilka. Under the guidance of my English trainer Mrs. Sonia Bajaj, I am going to tell you a new style recipe of poha. So let's get started. So first of all, we heat pan and add poha. So now we will roast it for 3 to 4 minutes. So now we will heat oil in the same pan and we will fry dry fruits and nuts. So after removing the dry fruits, we will pour some oil to the same pan. Now we will add some mustard seeds and chopped green chilies. Now we will add coriander leaves in the same pan. Now we will add salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder. Saute it until it fragrant. Now we will mix it well. Now add the roasted poha. Gently mix everything well. Saute it for 2 minutes. Now add the dry fried nuts and nuts. Mix everything well. Now add powdered sugar. So this is a new style recipe of poha. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.